So on this floor, there's an obstruction.
Yeah, I took a picture of this already.
Can be no obstructions, like you said right before me. The cement issue there.
Yeah.
That needs to be repaired. Tom's gonna make some noise now. Okay.
And this is what the typical noise sounds like in New York City.
And
hey, watch out, there's people walking down right now.
Give me the red. I'm not gonna break it, but it's bad enough. I can feel it giving.
Okay.
Thank you guys for the help.
So basically the
Oh, you're welcome, Tom. Anytime.
Ping, ping, clong, clong. We got the sound on that one. That is an emergency that we're gonna mark right now. And over here on the stringers, see these two over here?
Yep.
This is a problem on all of them, especially on the two upper floors, which one of them has an inch and the other one has more than an inch. So two emergencies that need to be taken care of.
So
Get it back here a little better. So I have to put a little more yellow on it.
Okay, so we have obstruction there. As you can see, all the ACs, they're all obstruction. And basically from a little bit from the AC, from that part on, you can see that
angle channel.
Yes, from that angle channel, everything is new. Not even paint is needed. Everything passes from there on, but from there here, we can see that it's older, that it hasn't been revisited. And it has a trip hazard right there, which is marked with red.
You want to tell me a little bit about the caution tape?
Okay.
Well, tell me about this caution tape.
There's another emergency here, in which it failed. We just hammer it once.
And he moved. And the thread moved, right?
Yeah, it broke. So basically, the bolts don't exist anymore. This needs immediate attention. It needs attention right away.
Okay.
Obstructions, as I already said. This whole thing, it's the only problem with this side on all floors of the fire escape.
Right.
It's the ACs, which that one doesn't have.
And here, you know, this is a pretty good shape underneath there.
And this chain, it's a trip hazard. The chain.
Trip hazard here because this is sticking out. Yep. This here, as Jason stated upstairs, it's new. From this point on here and there, it's all being new. It will pass inspection from paint to structure. This is an addition at one point. Traction, not really. Over there, it's not.
You
got it.
So basically, on all these threads, there's a couple of emergencies, as we already spoke about, but a lot of them, they just need basic, rebuilds. There were somebody.
I'm marking this yellow.
This was worked on in the last, I would say, 5-10 years from. This was worked on.
Somebody rebolted.
Somebody rebolted, but didn't take any rust out. Didn't silicone shut any connection. So this thing needs to.
Alright, you guys want to talk about why you spray paint yellow the rating?
See all the bird shit and all the other crap in there? It's rotting the bottom of the barrels.
I can't edit and beep this thing.
Alright. If you leave all of the stuff there, like these leaves, the bird feces.
Yeah.
Is the feces a good word for you?
Yes, very much.
If you leave it all there,
Thank you.
it's gonna get humid and it's gonna rotten all the iron from underneath.
Okay.
So this needs to be cleaned all the way down and removed.
So let me take a look at this again. So
That's
all
what we
this
want.
here. All these here.
That's it. You leave it for another place.
Alright.
Very nice.
Nope.
A person to get out of here, they only have to lift and let it go, and the ladder will drop and hit the floor, and he can escape.
Shit.
Now, if there was, Tom is using bad words. If we tried to move the ladder and it stick to anything, or it made any hard to move, it would fail. But this.
So you basically just have to lift it a little bit, and it drops.
So
I do need red.
Oh, this one needs red.
Alright, it looks like I'm talking to myself.
This one right here is missing a bolt. Look at the cracked hair.
So Jason.
Look at here.
Jason. So you only have to lift a little bit of the ladder, and will it eventually drop?
Yeah, because if it moves fine, if you see the motion.
Yeah.
Come over here, Carlos. Jason, give me a hand.
Film it again.
When I lift this up, this hook is going to fly, so I can drop this, but I don't want to drop it.
I see.
Okay? You ready?
Yeah.
See the hook moves out of the way?
I see.
Now this will drop down.
Thank
I
you.
don't want to drop it down.
Thank you. Okay.
Works fine.
So anybody can.
Thank you.
Hey, Jason, recording.
You're not recording.
Yes, I am.
All right, so I'm gonna go up taking pictures. So.
I want a camera. I got it. Hey, boys. And this is the back side of the other fire escape on 478 West Broadway.
Okay, Jason, you got a minute. Let's go.
No, we gotta just look. This I don't think. That help. Hold on, please.
Hey, stop doing that. You're on camera.
Just to go out with just the grown-ups. Just the grown-up friends, my love, okay?
Hold on a second, Jason.
It was like this, but I almost broke my leg.
So where do you find the broken thread?
So what you might want to do, you might want to watch the whole fire escape, form your arm, average that last, keep it to this,
That's what we're doing.
and then just say, this will happen more, but we chose not to make it happen. So it's simple as caution tape up, saying that it's, the evidence is there, but because of the rust that was showering down here, we didn't do it, but we did that at the end.
I'll do this the whole thing. How we doing?
How did you get back in?
Huh?
How did you get back in?
The same way I got out.
Okay, so then you may want to sort of just investigate this one to the next one, because eventually you're not gonna have the ability to go through it, you're not coming out, right?